Hey, what's up everybody, this your boy Nature Mochi. If you're here watching my video for the first time, congratulations for hopping on this video. Is because I know some of you guys are probably still new here and you're looking for opportunity, or you're looking for a best way how to start making money online. Now, I know some of you guys have been searching online, searching on Google, typing in how to make money online with no experience. Okay, whatsoever. Look, I got a good idea for you. If you really want to learn how to start making money right now, and you're looking for the best way how to start making money without having to spend zero experience, then you might want to check this video out, okay? Now, if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, it's only going to cost you like one time $7. So I recommend you to click that link in the first description down below if you really want to be successful, okay? If you really want to learn how to get started with affiliate marketing, but you don't know where to start at, and you're trying to find other ways how to start making money, or you join different programs that say gurus saying, oh, they will help you, unfortunately they don't. So my advice to you guys, especially if you're a beginner, and you're looking to start an online business, I think you should just go ahead and click the first link down below, so that way you get full access of every training. And we have a 15-day challenge that will do all the explaining, telling, selling for you, okay? So without that being said, my name is Mochi. I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 3 years now, and it completely changed my life. And the reason why I say that is because I make videos almost every day, because I like teaching my subscriber students to learn how to start their online business without having zero experience. So the reason why I say that is because I'm here to make this video for a reason. Is because I want to teach you guys how to make money online without having zero experience. And the reason why I say that is because some of you guys been typing in, searching on Google every day, saying I'm looking for the best way how to start making money online. Now, if you are serious about wanting to get started with your online business, then go ahead and click that first link down below, so that way you get full access, okay? So without that being said, guys, let's head over to this brand new program that's going to allow you to get 100% free traffic, okay? Alright, so for this short video I'm going to explain to you, it's a website called ListJumper. Now, ListJumper is an online platform that you can send emails daily, okay? You can send emails like every 24 hours. It's more similar like my Legion Secret, It's more similar like that, but this one is way twice as much better, because you don't have to pay money every month. You don't have to do that. You literally come on here every day, every 24 hours to send emails on a regular daily basis. So that means if you want to send your emails, or if you have different affiliate network or a CPA offer that you want to promote as an affiliate or as a beginner, then you're more than welcome to sign up with this amazing program. Before you sign up, make sure you watch the video, and make sure you please stay tuned to the video, because it's going to explain everything, what it's going to tell you, what's inside, okay? So when you come in as a free member, you're going to watch this video, and then you're going to sign up, and I'll refer you. So I'm going to leave the link in the description down below, so that way you'll have access to this too, okay? So without that being said, guys, let me log in and show you what the back office looks like. Alright, so here's the back office right here, as you can see right now. So once you sign up and get your account up and ready to go, what you're going to do, you're going to start hitting these little premium ads, so it's going to earn you credits, okay? So that means you get to earn 21 credits, 30 credits. It all depends how many you get, okay? And it adds up on every time when you're about to send an email, okay? So I'm not about to show you guys what I'm about to do right now. Okay, I'm just giving you a demonstration of what you're going to be doing, and as you learn in the process. Okay, so basically, this is all. This is all your. This is all like what you can see right here. This is member homes, promotional tools, member inbox, my downline, profile settings, account settings, my commissions, send email ad, mailing history, premium ads, login page ads, reward codes, 1 day bonus, upgrade, downline builder, buy credits, a monthly referral contest, and then you got help desk support, hour, and then log out. Okay, so that's basically it. So basically, if you want to send emails, okay, if you want to send emails, but first they won't let you send emails unless you get all these completed first. Okay, so you always wanna like wait till the countdown goes, because they give you like 20 seconds at each ad that you selected. Okay, and then once you're done with that, then you completely finished. Okay, so guys, ladies and gentlemen, if you ever want to get started with this amazing program or with this amazing opportunity, then the link will be in the description down below, so that way you have full access. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna come down here, you're gonna see this. Once you come down here, you're gonna put your subject line for the email, and you're gonna put the email content, which is your email, the email that like email swipes. Okay, so that way you can have more, so that way you can get more clicks and maybe even getting sales to your affiliate offer or to your business or to your Shopify store. Anyhow, okay? So for those people who are looking for opportunity, this is it right here. Alright? So I want to thank you guys for watching my video. And hey, if you ever want to start learning how to make money online, you want to get started with the real actual affiliate marketing, like I said in the beginning, you go ahead and click that first link down below in the description. All right. So if you want to know, if you want to learn my number one recommendation of affiliate marketing, then go ahead and click that first link. All right. My name is Shaquan Moultrie, and thank you for watching my YouTube video. And don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, and turn those notification bells, because it lets YouTube know when I drop a new video, you'll be the first one to notify. All right. Thank you, and you guys have a nice present day. All right, y'all. Peace out.